Ugochi, 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 Pambose, Odeti, no Toto Nabale, Odona, Chrissy, Eze-Ana, Ugochi to bed, but I'm not leaving, but the muscles, but the mountain, Gabati, Eze-Ana, Ugochi to bed, but the money, Ugochi to bed, but I'm not leaving, but the muscles, but the mountain, Gabati, Eze-Ana, Ugochi to bed, but the money, Ugochi to bed, Ugochi to bed, oh yeah. Makadeso Papa, Chacha, you carry the guy, front and back, you front and back, front and Sikalaka, Royal people, Shiny Rakukani, Nanke Fakama, Kurubai, Kurubia, Apopaka, Chicha, Kuruka. Ugochi to bed, ọtụtụ ọma na ụmụ ọdịnala Igbo abịakwanụ n'oge awa nke eziokwu, oge anyị ji awa eziokwu niile awa nke ọ bụ m nwa Ogbuefi Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu na-anọ n'isi ya. Isiokwu anyị bịa n'ụbọchị taa bụ ihe ga what will change your life if you pay attention. Maka ndị ọpụta bụ izi ha na-afụ afọ m bụ Ogbuefi Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu na Oraifite. Abụ m onye isi nchụaja Ugochi tubelu na temple. Anyị na-agba afa miri emi n'okwazi ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche. Abụkwazi m onye isi nchụaja na ọdịnala Restoration Prayer Ministry, bụrụkwazi onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo. You can call me an ọdịnala evangelist, I will answer. My mission is to help people live better life. N'ụbọchị tata, isiokwu anyị ji bịa bụ signs you must not ignore when you see them, either in dreams or by vision or by prophetic words. You must never ignore them because it's a serious warning and a sign. Now, it's a life-changing one if you pay attention attentively. Then, echefuna na aja anyị na-achụ kwa ọnwa nke ọnwa Febụwarị ga-ebido na Febụwarị 6th. Ọ bụrụ na ị chọrọ iso na aja, ihe ị ga-eme bụ forward ọ bụ ya 3 prayer requests, main donation token to the account number. Ịcha adịzie m na WhatsApp, agwazie gị details I need from you. Ndị na-esonye na aja mbụ amaghị otu esi eme mana maka gị ọbụ onye ọfụ, chaatị m na WhatsApp ma ọ bụ na o nwere ozi ọbụla anyị chọrọ maọbụ gwa ya na ọbụla chọrọ ime through me. Send them a message in our WhatsApp 0805 7837 672. I repeat 0805 7837 672. Then ihe ọzọzi kwesịrị ịma echefutara ụbọchị Monday and Thursdays bụ ụbọchị anyị na-enwe counseling na temple. Yes, ị nwere ike ịbịa for counseling and ụbọchị anyị na-enwe ministration using ọdịnala method. Ụbọchị anyị na-ekwubi okwu isi ndị friends of the temple and our fans. And then as well more teach all over the book. You can't do one, there is power in spoken words. But what you don't know is really a mystery to you and not to all. So what was in there? Man, was in those you maka all the chwaja, they teach and all one does. Then this your by the maka I am also away to pay attention. Ihe the Magabano was that Wagolungia. Whenever you see these signs in dreams from the medium, yes, the medium could be through trance, through prophetic words, as you go see, more na more pano, na you want to money for your landlord. More than a mother way can make a ball from village, the second half will get it to a lady. Those Indian if you are there, don't ignore. I can tell you why is this so. Before anything will happen in this gross material, this world, yes, it must have taken on form in the spiritual realm, waiting for the appropriate time to happen in the world of physical. So you can still avert them or hasten up the dreams or the message if they are of positive vibes. Now, upon all Zioma, just wait, it will happen. Man, I hear the they take it on form in the spiritual day. Can we don't get mad? Last night, I don't know even from in the material world. Yes, I'm going to wherefore an ego. Oh, somebody is standing by me, but I can't figure the face. So I don't know wherefore an ego nefe. Now we see no I want to catch this ego. Yes. But one put that thing out, the ego out. If you want to side them, as the ego flow towards my side. Then I now stretch my hands and alive. Not a ego alive. But more not a ego alive. I want some na ego out. I want me him major where. But I go, when some na ego out. Now, who goes to na no one who I get to me. I hear no voice. No one who got to them. And na boy ego out. You hope that no in the history of man. No, there is a mother. It just straight hand and water ego, just like that. A use of everywhere, nothing, not just not I guess it. It's flowing through towards my side, mark it to her. Though actually my intention would to immediate mark it to her now, immediate. But that's not what or no, they say it. Then I was him to make him a GM. Well, what my ego, one go, now that's towards my direction. Yes, and I claim it, and I know it will happen. They did not explain to me in details what that will go. Now, yes, Potalo in layman language. Yes, the only thing that one they are no one who got to them. That I don't know what Nabia, nowhere I away like a big cow to me. Then, when they make use of that ego for all more. So my natural one now, more call the ceiling. Then am I game in the spiritual realm to hasten up that dream. If rather this dream now is of positive one. Yes, here game go when we can be into fulfillment in the land of the physical. Can we go mad? The man goes in man like you home mad. But before God, you can see all for the way I walk on the funeral. A man is crying for help. All the if we're working on law, every day back. crying for help, and the help comes from nowhere. It calls for concern. You have to do something. Although they put on law for a bad and warning, maybe you are not seeing the figure, but in a no but only of warning. But when they follow the figure of a human being or spirit, then they warning. You must do something. Yes. Although they put on working ever in a back, now cry for help, and the world you would a call for is a warning. Although they put on working on law, ever Iwelu isi mgbaka. Yes. Ebe nwere isi mgbaka, but na mmadụ anyị ahụ dị not very healthy. It's called for it's a warning, the warning sign. Now, ọ bụrụ na ịfụtara onwe gị na nlọ ebe ị na-enwe setback, ọ ebe ịfụtara onwe gị na nlọ ihe niile ị nwere nwụrụ ọkụ as if your house is burning or whatever that belongs to you is burning. Is a warning sign. You should not ignore. Ọ bụrụ na ịfụtara onwe gị na nlọ ebe ị na-egwu mmiri mana mmiri na-eri gị na ya bụ nlọ, then is a warning sign. Ọ bụrụ na ịfụtara onwe gị na nlọ ebe a na-enye gị punishment, maybe you are being flogged and then the punishment is a sign you should not keep quiet. Ma ọ bụrụ na ịfụtara onwe gị na nlọ ebe agwọ ma ọ bụ akpị tara gị ma ọ bụ akpị gbaa gị, is a warning sign. Ma ọ bụrụ na ịfụtara onwe gị ebe a bịara na-afụta onwe gị na nnachigha azụ ebe ka yi tattered clothes, ma ọ bụ na ịfụrụ onwe gị ebe ị bịara bụrụ na ịnọ na klaasị ịgafegoro agafe. Yes, ịgafe ya bụ klaasị, maybe ịfụta onwe ebe ị ka na-eme ule na primary school while I didn't do those things many years ago. It's called for help. Ma ọ dịpụtara onwe gị na nlọ ebe ị pụtara ọ bụrụ na n'ibi obodo oyibo n'ibi na town, mana ịfụtazi onwe gị ebe ị nọ na village and dress in almost those village unkept attire, then it's called for warning. It's a sign you should not ignore. Then ọ gwa na ịpụtara onwe gị na nlọ fụ onwe gị na nlọ ebe a na-achụ gị ọsọ endlessly, and whatever that is pursuing you achụkatara ọkwụsị na ọchụgidoro gị ọsọ, you wake up, then it's a serious sign for concern. You should not just ignore. Ma ọ bụ na ịfụrụ onwe gị na nlọ in the midst of ndị nwụrụ anwụ, guys, it could be their relatives, their friends, ndị people you have come across with. If onwe na-afụta onwe gị n'etiti ndị nwụrụ anwụ, it's not a dream you can ignore. Ma ọ bụ na ịfụtara onwe gị na nlọ ebe ị pụtara wee fụ onwe gị ebe ọnọdụ ịnọ na ya dị you get yourself involved in accidents. You understand? It's not something you can just ignore. Ma ọ bụ na ịpụtara na ịfụ onwe gị na nlọ ebe nkịta na-achụ gị ọsọ, ma ọ masquerade na-achụ gị ọsọ, ma ọ bụ elephant, ma ọ bụ any other animals, that keep pursuing you endlessly. Wake up. All those things, when you are seeing them, it's not what you just ignore. More than from one law, when you passed on in one law. Those things are me. I just cite just some few examples. When you are seeing those things that are like warning signs of negative vibrations. So if you see those things, my brother, my sister, don't ignore them. I can tell you, before anything will happen in this gospel material, you must take on form in the spiritual realm before it happens. Then, and once it happens, you have to something either to avert them from happening in the world of gospel material, or to do something to make sure that those things, if it's of positive vibrations, that those things happen faster. Let me use myself as an example. Many years ago, yes, around the year 2020, 2002, yes, that time I'm already CEO for Lantern Integrated Limited. I own a water drilling firm. My office then was at Onitsha Owerri Road, 105 Onitsha Owerri Road, first floor. I was doing very well. Yes, I went into water drilling services. So I owned a drilling rig, yes, of my own. Yes, I became the youngest guy to own a drilling rig at that time. That was about over 20 years ago. It was happening in 2002. But before, in 2001, come now, around Christmas of 2001, come from that time I was doing well. That is, my company, we drill borehole from side to side, I can tell you for fact. At my office at 105 Onitsha Owerri Road, there is never a day my drilling equipment, the drilling rig, that is motor parked in the office with that job. We move from site to site. I don't need to start calling prominent people and companies we used to drill borehole for them. We move from site to site. Sometimes work will line up to the extent that I will instruct my boys to do even day and night in order to meet up demands. So what happened is that December 2001, I dreamt where I saw myself inside forest. But before then, the first woman to see Mosi, my calling, was a Yoruba woman. Local ministry. Never have your word there. That time I escorted my sister, my younger sister. We carry me go in Basan call here. So, man, because he one day was my escort to one place. We don't know a woman is here. So, what is my sisters? The child my sisters turn not towards me. See, some on a man on the call. We don't know. Okay, we do all the little but oh no, no, so what would I have? What would I have more you copy? Already in front and back. I one day, they believe in a Catholic dogma then. So I didn't take the woman serious. Yes, I didn't take the woman serious. So when the woman can end today, I would have visited her and said, oh, madam, the Hebrew no mezona. No one is this remote Basalo Agu there. So this woman, I got here. I just never went Messiah. That Christmas of the same year, 2021, come now we're for inside thick forest. How I find myself there, it remains a mystery till date. So I found myself inside that thick forest in the dream. So, but then you were one and came out abroad that dream. They have trust completely because it happened over 20 years ago, but I still remembering that dream till date. It happened come from the right side that thick forest. If you say can never I was finding it difficult to locate my way out. Gani more inside there, thinking that the mafu maybe a footpath lead to a bench where I couldn't see any. I thought I looked towards the west. There towards the east, no road. There's no trace that no one also lead him out. Here my thick forest. I looked towards the western side. Nowhere. I walked down towards the LSS and found out that there's no road, even trackable road that shows that I can walk out from there. No way. I looked towards the north. The same thing. No way. I looked towards the south. No way. At the stage, I find out that the one making a great woman from that thing, ever from women in better desert. About my desert, I thick forest. Now, but for the moment I began to cry. Never, now man dinner. Now, very that time the person will be hearing my cry. But now I'm going to I'm not mad on the game to more, I'm mad on no, I cry. But I know I cried till I woke up. At the time, now I have tears in my eyes. It's not a joke. That is it. I woke up with tears. That is, I'm better than that. I'm more better here to show you how serious this is. So after I'm the Serapa, My dear, Maui remaining Okobia in front and back. I wonder whether that was sponge calyx. In fact, core calyx. The core ones. Imagine that I want to introduce. In fact, that's Capella introduced in early 2000. Yes, same as Capella, rubber scapula. And the plastic, yes, of Simon stock. I want to propagate the Simon stock scapula, wearing of scapula in Nigeria of then. Men in Nigeria then. Then when I wear scapula of middle size, then I have introduced this one, like 2 inches scapula. That blue, I want a year. I didn't even So I wanted to have 15 decades of those. In fact, that day, every day I have 15 decades of those. In fact, at this stage, I increased here to 60 decades of rosary daily. Okay, no, that can guys. Yes, I belong to so many societies in the Catholic Church. Then, going for all those seminars, crusades, and rest of them. Just mention them. Yes, then they come and retreat, monthly retreats. Then they mark let's start figure there. So we in a so for me, I'm of the opinion those Catholics I don't believe in the ministry. I want the Catholics I want that. Maganda Catholics is that the ministry. I'm about Catholics of them. I want the Catholics in Dawa Catholic in and those in the Catholic are that protest but this is that the Iowa. So we protested because you understand that they are not to them, they are just reverend or oath. I take the vow. So, man, I believe I believe on EJ Fadede or EJ Mbaka or EJ ministers. Because that time Catholic normally frown at those states, except in the or in the Mbaka. Before now, all those states have already the Catholics. And so, now modern Catholics now they just minister, but not getting the highest ministry I didn't belong to Bible Society, which I was a member then, or charismatic renewal. So all those things. But so Mama, one prophetic ministry in jail. No, they can't appear why here that on Mama. Here, mother, as a Catholic, I go to my morning mass daily. I visit the chapel to pray to Holy Eucharist. Jesus and Dokobia, then visit the Mother Mary Grotto, then that is my belief then. After praying, I commit whatever my dream then was into their hands. That was based on my dream, my belief then. My dear, I was on December 2021. 3 months after that, now I be the member. Come back as you Christmas, Bacha Christmas, when by April of 2022, when an accident after I just supply my workers drilling chemicals. I just na Oko side. I drove myself. After dropping those chemicals, I decided to go home. Because that time I was living at Awada then dropped those chemicals. Around after 12, I was driving home. After home, I made sure on my seat belt. Now I put on my seat belt. After putting that my seat belt, kind of advertising no KTT. Upon no KTT, I hear one who's no accident. Other accident darkness that cover my face. Immediately, what I did is to apply brake. That's the only thing I could remember. Motor was so much sort 3 times face levels were there. So it's not as if that I am not on Barabano. It's not as if but that darkness blocked my path. So here when they came out with automatic brake. That was off. So after that accident, I survived because then I was on seatbelt. After that accident, I went to hospital the next day for scan and everything. No internal bleeding or injury. Then I went to actually one of but the motor was badly damaged. So after the incident, now problem keep coming. Here we go, I just my drilling equipment had a problem. I just say, Lord, we got a pipe to any man, on a pipe battery, on a machine and can make just one problem or the other. By so doing, Monsieur, so we sit down by my car. To the state, at a stage, I decided to leave this country. I now call my younger brother to manage the company affairs. I traveled out. You understand? I traveled out. So what am I saying now? Now the time I may here, man, here is at the stage, Messiah Russia abroad. Naka, ihe njelo ruo ọbụla tusu eche esi wee dị ka o si wee dị nata. Now, ọ na-emezi ọmụ na nnute ego. Ọ bụrụ na ego a gwụrụ ana ma will not come. Yes, onwe ka m rụọ ọrụ nweta contract gosi ọrụ nweta profit. If that profit I will, and that one will not come. So and so on and so forth. But that one goes in my part now to chicken back and don't know him financially. With the pure now till eventually I allow my junior brother to continue with the company. Now I change into another business and locate to Abuja. Change into computer business. Computer importation and computer peripherals, understand? So here na check wala game na. Ihe a sign any by December 2021. But I couldn't do much until the thing bit over the first was here on my parts. That also ego no say what ego was totally locked off. And for the first time I began to cry. So actually occasion I could myself when so when you are seeing those things happening in your life, do something. I want to hear marketer come then. Come for here and I know what to do to avoid them. Yeah, guys, in the chat video, one to when I'm send the other message in the WhatsApp 0805 78 37 672. He gave a only for 9 hours. That was a video. Corner for because it's smart. That had to work and kept me here. You know, you can listen out here. Equal more because this in the email. My viewers, fans, and partners all over the globe. Everybody know when I'm now. May you receive help. May you be protected. May favor locate you. Now I have to go to the kept me here. Only can you listen out here. Yagazin. Call the question in by 9 o'clock. Yagazin.